My recommended train is rolling. Choo choo, choo choo. College basketball, January 14th. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Make donations, support the channel. It's good karma for you. My recommended, the number one ranked, 100% free sports capper in the world. No credit cards needed. No $1,000 package deal for the season. No $100 weekend package deals. And guess what? No $30 a day package deals. Oh, 100% free. Who doesn't like free? And play the fade or no fade game. It's a fun game and it's free. Bandit recap show for January 13th. Early bird special. Winner St. Bonaventure 68-54. Line was 11.5 points. 14-point winner. Monarch Bandits. Number one best play of the day. Wichita State. 72-53 winner. Number one best play of the day. Wichita State. 19-point winner. Monarch Bandits. Late night special. Texas Tech versus Texas. Over 135 points. 48-38. 86 points first half. Winner. 3-0. 3 stops, Moneyville. 0 stops, minor setbackville. Lucky flip a coin. Auburn. Lucky flip a coin. Auburn. 95-77 winner. Auburn. Lucky flip a coin winner. Next stop, Moneyville. Choo choo, choo choo. Lucky flip a coin. Chattanooga. 83-80. Chattanooga winner on the money line. 83-80. Lucky flip a coin winner. Next stop, Moneyville. Lucky flip a coin. Toronto Maple Leafs over 6.5 goals. Montreal, Toronto over 6.5 goals. 5-4 final. 9 goals. Lucky flip a coin. NHL winner. 6-0. 6 stops, Moneyville. 0 stops, minor setbackville. Bandits new NHL guy with his number 2 pick. Montreal versus Toronto. Number 2 pick. Toronto Maple Leafs. Money line. Winner. Next stop, Moneyville. Money recommended 7-0. Early bird special. Winner. Next stop, Moneyville. Wichita State. Winner. Best play of the day. Texas Tech. Texas. Winner. Late night special. Over 135 winner. Next stop, Moneyville. Flip a coin. Lucky flip a coin. Auburn winner. Chattanooga. Lucky flip a coin winner. Toronto Maple Leafs over 6.5 goals winner. All 100% free. Seven and 0. January 14th, college basketball. Early bird special. UFC versus Temple. Bandit playing UCF. First half money line. First half on the money line. UCF versus Temple. College basketball. Early bird special. Moneymaker out.